am Nikita studying 5th standard. Today I am reading a lesson from 7th class science textbook. First lesson, food components. First lesson, food components. In the previous class, we have learnt that we eat many kinds of foods like biryani, pulihora, idli, chapati, dal, etc. And you also learnt how to cook some kinds of food, making them tasty and palatable by adding oil, sugandha, dravyalu, condiments, etc. Figure 1. Everyone have their own favorite food. What is your favorite food or dish? Why do you like it? Is only favorite food sufficient for you? Why? What food do you eat every day? Think, why do you eat it? Activity 1. Make a group with 5 or 6 students and make a list of some day to day activities and food items we eat. Display your group report. Is there any relationship between eating food and performing activities? Discuss with your friends and teachers. Food supplies the energy we need to do many tasks in our day to day activities. Do we need energy when we sleep? Why or why not? Do you know that even while sleeping we breathe and circulation of blood in our body goes on? So, do you agree that we need energy even while sleeping? Can you add some more activities performed by our body during sleep? Read the following questions, think and discuss with your friends. Suppose you don't eat food in lunch, how do you feel? If you don't get anything for a day, how will you feel? If you don't get food for many days, what will happen to you? Why should we take food? What are the components in it? Let us find out what components are present in our body. Activity 2. In our food. Activity 2. Listing out food components. Observe the given packet figure 2 and list out the food components present in it. Figure 2. Milk powder.
Which are the nutritional information?
What components? Nutritional information per 100 gram. Protein 44.0, carbohydrate 16.4, sugar 22.6, fat 17.0. Collect some other food packets as well, like those of chips, coffee, biscuit, etc., and identify the different components present in them and record them in the table given. What are the components observed on milk powder packet? What components are most common in your list? Do you find any vitamins and minerals in them? What are they? Where do you write salt and sugar? Why are there any food items with similar components? What are the essential components of food? Our food consists of carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. Besides these, water and fibers are also present. These are the essential components of our food and we call them nutrients. In activity 1, you prepared food items list. Which of them have carbohydrates? Which of them have proteins? Which of them have vitamins and minerals? The components present in food substance can be tested easily through simple experiments. Activity 3, confirmation of presence of food components. Collect different types of food
Materials.
materials like milk, a potato, little quantity oil or ghee. Test them according to the instructions given below. For this you will need test tubes, stand plate and dropper. You would also need some chemicals as given in each section of testing. Take sample of each food item in a test tube or plate. Prepare the chemicals needed. Test the samples with them. Note down your observations in your notebook. Experiment 1, test for starch. Preparation of dilute iodine solution. Take a test tube or a cup and add few iodine crystals to it. Then dilute it with water till it becomes light yellow or brown. Take a sample of food item in the test tube. Add a few drops of dilute iodine solution to the sample. Observe the change in color. What do you find? If the substance turns dark blue or black, it contains starch. Try with ripened banana and curry banana. Experiment 2, test for fats. Take small quantity of each sample. Rub it gently on a piece of paper. If the paper turns
Translucent.
substance contains
Fats.
Recall your past experience when you have eaten vada or any other food item on a paper plate. You might have noticed the paper plate turning
Translucent.
Why did the paper plate turn translucent? The reason for this is presence of fats in food items.